mina nomandisa sachicha babe mamele babe
Zida ngithola ukuthi
babe mamela babe
Oh, damn.
lesikora
ke lo ngiphi chance ngikhulule
sisi wami ngicela ususele indoda yakho la.
wenzani noThabiso
My sister yambona my sister wenzani?
Wenzani noThabiso?
Uthi top 18.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami, bringing you the heat. I fix, I destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and I'm brother and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Siram, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
I really don't have the energy for you today.
You always have energy for me.
I don't. I genuinely.
Pole dancing needs energy. So you can't do it on an empty stomach. Yeah, you can't do it on the green juice. You need to eat something solid for you to...
Did you guys get me green juice today?
Sekutholele the other one. Cabanga usushaya pole dancing ikhanda selibheke phansi inyawo seziphezulu. Oyehloko kwenzayo.
That is so nasty.
That
That is so nasty. Hi, guys. Hi, how are you? Would you mind coming closer? I go around asking couples questions. Really? Yeah. But you guys were strolling, Jana, nicely. Just 5 questions, guys. Come on. Just a quiz, Nyana.
Yes.
3 minutes. Exactly 3 minutes.
manje amakamera
Look, it's for my show. But on TikTok, he's protecting the camera. And get we're in the middle of nowhere.
I want to up to something so
Oh, wow.
Hello pipi.
What's it, learn something, so.
No, guys, come on. Just, I'm going to give 4 questions each. You guys can go.
inkinga manje kumele si
It's fine. It's
fine.
amen
Thank you, girl. Come closer. The woman has spoken. Yes, please. Thank you.
Next.
bye bye
Asizwe my question like.
Yes. Name, sir?
come on now
Neo and?
Bridget.
Bridget, how long have you been with Neo?
8 months.
8 months. Still going strong.
Yeah.
Okay. Noah, what do you like about Bridget?
unothando man
Uh-huh.
unento le amachita nga understand ngayo
Yeah.
muhle le ntombazana
Yes, absolutely.
like ngisithandela yena
Uh-huh.
yabona nesmile sakhe asijwayelekanga
Uh-huh.
mama
Yeah.
muhle mama
Okay. Bridget. Yeah. Okay. What do you like about Neo?
Like umfana right.
Mhm.
Yanginika isikhathi.
Mhm.
Spend isikhathi esiningi understand situation yami and understand yakhe. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You guys align.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you trust him though?
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
I say 9.
9. 1 for disappointment.
Yeah. Like,
You never know.
you never know. Yeah.
Okay. Do you trust her?
yes
On a scale of 1 to 10?
10
10. Damn. You're not leaving anything for disappointment.
no
Okay.
ngiyamthanda because like open game yabo
Yeah.
everything lesi ayenzayo or everything eyenzakalayo uyangitshela
Uh-huh.
yabo akunanto engayazi about yena yabo
Even when she was with her friends and you're not around.
yes uyangitshela anywhere la yakhona
So you report everything, Bridget,
Yeah.
to your man.
Yes.
Every little detail.
Everything.
Why do you do that? Do you want him to trust you or
Yes.
what? Okay. And you said you've been together for how long?
8 months.
So you've been doing that for 8 months.
Yeah.
So it's a situation like, oh baby, I'm going out now. I'm doing this now. I'm doing this now.
Yeah. Sometimes I'm just in phone yaphuma.
Kuba uyishela on your phone.
so like it's nanoma offline
Yeah.
maybe for isikhathi eside uyangitshela ukuthi amala babies into engenza ukuthi ngibe offline ukusona sona so
Uh-huh.
then nami ngizo understand
Okay. Understanding, sir.
yeah
Okay. Let me get to the point now. What we do on this show, we basically make couples switch phones, okay? You guys switch phones and you go through each other's WhatsApps. Would you be willing? We're testing your loyalty.
Isinkinga le phone
Babe,
ngiyibolekile
ungakhohlwa
akuseyami yabo.
Ayibolekile? Never ibolekile phone?
Eish, angazi yazi. Hey baby,
You don't know your woman's phone?
le angiyazi futhi.
Hi guys, it is your boy Lee. Today I'm putting you onto something very powerful. Trading made simple using Pocket Broker. Now listen, this platform gives you multiple ways to trade, whether you are a beginner or already in the game. But what really caught my attention is this feature called AllTrade. With AllTrade, you can open trades using the platform's funds, not your own money. Meaning you can trade without having to use your own money. Yeah, you heard that right. If the trade wins, you get a profit. If it loses, you don't lose your own cash. That means you can test strategies, learn faster, and still make real profits. That's real earning without risking your pockets. Getting started is easy. Click the link in the description and use the promo code CMTVV1. Let's make money smart.
You said you tell your man everything. Why didn't you tell him about the phone situation?
Ish. Nje ezinye izinto ziyadinga ukuthi ube yi-one. Yenza into zakho yi-one.
Ah, so you don't tell him everything?
I do.
Oh,
Yes.
except the phone situation.
Yeah. Naye mele ebone ukuthi hayi ngishintshile ifoni.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, would you guys be willing? I know you said you borrowed it, but your information is there, right?
Hey baby,
Akuncane nje. Yeah, bavala.
So you don't want to switch
Nimvule
phones?
yabo.
You don't want to switch phones?
No.
You don't want to switch phones?
Angifuna ukubona.
Ah.
You want to see her phone?
Yes.
Musuthi
Can she see yours?
bayavala.
Are you hiding something on your phone?
I'm not.
Angathi kunento efihlayo.
Hayi ngiyasho nje
You're
ukuthi
acting
akusifoni
dodgy. You're acting
yami.
dodgy, Bridget.
I don't. Ngiyasho ukuthi akusifoni yami.
Let's start with yours.
Qhamukaphi uzosibuza ukuthi skip
I've been standing here. You saw that I've been standing here. What do you mean, Kamugapi? I've been standing here.
Wena umuntu wakho uyayisearcha na ifoni endlini.
Yeah, I do. Here and there.
My boundaries are fun.
Oh, okay. I hear you. Newa, can I please have your phone? You're willing, right? We'll start with yours.
Mara yami isebenza charging mara.
Let me see.
No, amangangaka le phone le sebenza nini charging.
You're lying. Kavule phone now.
Angisho ukuthi skip amafoni, keep ifoni.
Uyazi ukuthi ifoni yami
Passcode, password, pattern.
Ifoni.
It's on now. It's on now. Let's give it a try.
Ngeke isebenza kahle nje kahle. Hamba ma.
Thank you. Please go to his WhatsApp. Okay. Type search, ne? Sorry, search. Type love you.
Let me.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Still Villami.
Okay, nice. Delete that. Type babe.
Yayathi ifuna ukuphela.
Yekela ifoni. Kanti wenzakalani impilo yakho? Hawu, ubani umandisi?
Go into the chat. Sibona izinto apha.
And then wena nomandisa endlini kaMandisa kwenzakalani?
Baby yazi kwenzakalani.
Last week awuzangithamba nabangani bakho mara wena nawu nomandisa niyadla kumnandi.
Angitshelile baby ukuthi.
Ungitshele yini wena uthengele
Ngitshelile
umandisa
ukuthi ngiphuma
ezimnandi?
nabangani bami baby.
Abangani bakho umandisa manje umngani wakho umandisa.
Mina naye siyajuja.
Bo wonke umuntu wayekhetha umandisa.
Mina noMandisa sajuja. Baby mamele baby. Baby.
Biza umandisa. Shit. Ubani umandisa?
Baby.
Ngiyantshontshana.
Bani umandisa?
Mamela sweetie.
Bani umandisa? Esisi wami lo ngijwayela kabi.
Ukhala kakubi in fact.
Seqala into ayenzani ungibambele la.
Oh.
Baby.
Biza umandisa. Ubani umandisa?
Baby.
Ubani umandisa? Ngimamela ngimamela ini? Oh
Akunanto yenzakalayo.
Oh niyatshitshana. Chaza ukuthi ubhizi wena nomandisa. Ubhizi nomandisa wena.
Abantu sokukabanisela abantu abazi labantu labasenza ukuthi.
Angibazi ukuthi abangisizile ngithola ukuthi
Baby mamela baby.
Oh damn.
Lesikore
Kelo ngiphi chance ngikhulume.
sisi wami ususele indoda yakho la.
Baby.
Oyisuse.
Suka ke Dlamini, suka. Dasidlala don't move.
Wenzakala nomandisa. Bani umandisa?
Cela sithatha amafoni wethu sihambe sikhulume.
Bani umandisa? You're not gonna answer.
Bheka baby.
Phofu utshilo baba yantshontsana. So isayitshe.
Chaza ukuthi kuningi la.
Yeah.
Yes. Hayi samfanele manje ngilalela lutho. Unamanga wena.
Ngelikhuluma ngale baby. Baby.
Simamele. Be listening.
Sandra.
Yeah, akaphendula uMandisa.
Ngeke silisela abantu awubazi nama ngibazi.
Ah, am I speaking to Mandisa?
Ungazenza so.
Yebo.
Here go.
Hello Mandisa.
Ewe.
Uyamazi uNeo?
Ya nyama.
Wenzakalani wena noNeo?
Hawunewo umuntu wami wadinga.
Umuntu kabani kanti ukuthi mina nasi.
uNkulunkulu uzongivakashela namhlanje. Ngiqala nini ukujola?
Boma 3 months ukujona.
Hayi bo.
Ungakhohlwa ukuthi bayabhala.
Ngislima mina.
Baby, ngifuna yami yathema. Baby.
Kenzakalani kanti wena uyini umuntu wami?
Baby, mamela.
Intombi yakhe.
Asili.
Baby.
uMandisa
Wena Mandisa baby kubani? Kubani?
Satshontshana mina noMandisa ngithanda wena uyi-1 standard.
Natshontshana wena noNeo?
Baby.
Siyantshontshana.
Yeah.
Uyangihlanyela wena.
Seyaphika,
Baba.
Wena wohlanyela mina, wena wohlanyela mina ibhizi nendoda yami cethu uzongitshela ukuthi ngiyahlanya isibindi esingaka.
Baby asame man. Ngifuna
Wena sihambe
asame.
wena ngisakufuni.
Angiyalingwa ngisehlala.
Baby.
Angisakufuni.
Mamela Sandra.
And the other one, Dlamini.
Baby.
Please open your phone, Scott. We still need to check yours.
Hayi sisiphela sesiqedile sesithola uya-cheater and nami sengiright.
So we can't check yours.
Bridget,
Bridget,
ngisamfuni why kumele sicheke yami?
Bridget, can you please check your phone? Please don't do this.
We
Wangathi
can't.
ngila unento efihlana.
Exactly.
Ifihlani. Wena ngikubuza ngathi ubani manje sona wathi ngiyatshontshana.
Sesivule yakho.
Ngisho ngathi ifoni ngami ngiyibolekile le phone.
Please open it, Bridget, your phone.
Umuntu lo akathani ngabona njengoba nishuta kanje.
No,
Ngicela
phone.
uvule ifoni.
Please pull your phone. Even if we end it, Galoko, we need to see if you're not cheating as well.
Mara uyachita musunewe.
We're now cheat.
Hayi.
Can we check your phone?
Hayi. Musu take yavalwa newo. Ngizokuxolela ke asambe.
Aha!
Uvule ifoni.
Asambe. Sizojola kahle ngithi uyasho ukuthi bayisiphazamisa asambe.
No, I just
yakho
can't.
so that sokhona ukuthi mhlambe siyazi ukuthi skip.
Ufunani ifoni yami clean le phone
ukubona.
yintsha le phone ya last week mus.
Okay, ngicela ukubona.
Maqeda.
Ne?
Then you guys can go. Kuyavalwa kaloku.
Angithi kuyavala ungakhohlwa ukuthi kuyavala nama lokungafuni ukuthi bavule ifoni yakho so waste isikhathi. And bayavala lapha.
Wangena ku Instagram kuphela.
Okay, fine. Vuli phone,
okay.
Bridget. We'll go on Instagram. Vuli phone. Thank you. Okay. Go on the WhatsApp, ne?
Mara ngithe Instagram.
Why would we check Instagram?
Baby,
Type-
mangithi ngiyabheka la.
Type babe.
Akuvela mina la.
Okay, nice. Delete that.
Okay.
Type love you.
Love you. That's avela mina sti.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Delete.
Okay.
Type miss you.
Miss you. Savela mina.
Okay. Delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors.
Thabiso.
Bridget, Sibone izinto up. Go into the conversation. Go into the chat.
Ubani uThabiso manje?
What are you thanking Utabiso for?
Awuthabisa umimi kanti
Uyabona kangaka umtshela ukuthi uthabi.
sisame yabona into ozenzayo.
Babe, cela umele ngapha. Umela ngapha. Umbonise le. Babe.
Please relax.
Babe.
Please relax. Can I?
Abungrasela kangaka ungitshela ukuthi ubani uThabiso kanti? Ubani uThabiso?
I'm sorry.
Wenzani noThabiso?
Ngifunda naye classmate.
Wenzani noThabiso?
My sister yambona my sister wenzani?
Wenzani noThabiso?
Sabi phone, Dlamini.
Thabiso ubani yena kanti?
Yo, I need you guys to relax. I need you
Wathi
guys to.
angijwayela wena.
I need you guys
Ufuna
to.
ukubonana kanti?
Kabi, give me the phone. Let's call him. I'm sorry.
Ubani uThabiso?
Lezinto lezi my sister.
Okay.
uThabiso ubani?
Ngiyasho nje iclassmate yami kanti walokhu uqina ngestory. Musina uyajola.
Ngitshela nobani?
NoMandisa.
ukuthi ngiyatshontshana.
Still nami siyatshontshana fefe.
Mara uthi niyajola ubona ukuthi
Ngisho njalo.
ungirasele kangaka.
Ungazongijwayela.
Yeah. Baby. Wazini sweet.
Ngangibabi suka phambi kwami.
Banu Utabiso.
Classmate.
Classmate. Hi, can I please speak to Utabiso?
Ayangijwayele le ntombazane le kanti ufuna ukubonana baby.
Hi, Utabiso. How are you?
Ngikona kunjani?
I'm good.
Shosho Prayam. Okren. Wenzani no Bridget? Yini nale nihlanganisa wena no Bridget mina lengayazi. Engaka? Ukusukela nini wena kuyintombi yakho ngokuthi intombi yami la ngishadile. Baba, ngeke ngizokuphikisana nawe. Hlukana nomfazi wami, uBridget. Phuma kuBridget. Angizwa?
ngathi ukhuluma ngani ukhuluma nobani nawathi
Sengikhulumile ngiqedile akusana into engizoyikhuluma futhi. Hlukana nomfazi wami. Hlukana nomfazi wami, uBridget umfazi wami. Wena uweste sami isikhathi.
Oh.
Babe.
Yena Bridget, ifoni yakho?
Ngiyambona ngithi my sister. My sister.
So you guys are both cheating, ne? Each alondole, right? So are you guys gonna go where you are going? You guys can fix it.
Mina ngiyahamba.
Nangisamfuni
Nakhona ngathi ungayela ufike la bavalile la uya.
Uba mina ngiyendlini anginasikhathi sakho. Futhi angizange ngakuthanda.
Labona manje waste isikhathi sami for into engekho.
Futhi angizange ngakuthanda vele bengisweshe isikhathi sakho.
Ah.
Bengisweshe vele isikhathi sakho.
Phela manje ngigcina manje sengithatha lo muntu usisomelayo.
Angithathe mina ngizothatha lo bhudo la.
Ngithathe.
Wow. No, we're fine. We're taking Dlamini, come please.
Yes.
Please go your way.
Udlamini.
Bheka babe.
Please, Dlamini, come closer, please.
So uthi sisabantu baby nisipinde sibolile. Sithekile.
Ukhulekile ukuthi
Ubani? Ubani? Yibe besimoshele la bas understand aba welcome noma goodbye.
Oh. Ima, so you guys want to fix things?
usitsheleni kahle kahle.
Ngizitsheleni khuza bona ngithi besimoshele.
So anifuna ulungisa.
Mara nisimoshele.
Anifuna ulungisa na.
Sohle kwabantu.
Okay, then
Wesiphathi
separate.
liyashuka.
You guys can go your way. Separate, okay?
Yeah, sizoseparate.
Bye, Bridget. You can go.
Yeah, sala.
No, you can go. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I mean we've done our job. We've done our. Ne?
Ungithathe.
Ba. And she's pretty, ne? Pretty girl. Uzoyeka akuthatha.
Yeah, ngithathe.
Damumthatha ke.
Angithi na ufuna ungidansela. Mhlawumbe uBridget ezodansa.
Okay. Okay, ambumthatha.
Yayizwa ibhlungu kanjani lento mayiza ngakuwe?
No, I'm not hurt. You can take her.
Hey, your facial says something here. Your facial.
Wow.
Listen,
Wow.
I know you care about me. Awufuna adwita.
Okay. Okay.
Awuna ndaba.
I don't.
Hey, uzivuli ngu. Bini unendaba nami.
Okay.
Ngisho wafenda la ingane bathi ifuna ungithatha.
Person I faint.
Usuyangikhulumela ukuthi you are taken. Why ungikhulumela? Ngoba ngimele
It must nice being delusional.
I'm not delusional.
Must be nice.
No, I'm not delusional. Ngimele umyeke ngithathe.
Abumthatha ke.
Yabona lento ekhulumayo ukhulumisa inhliziyo ibhlungu. Impilo yakho ikho baba.
Sabili, I've got a man.
Nje okusalayo. Inhliziyo yakho ila kimi. Inhliziyo yakho ila.
What do you mean?
Your actions akulapha kwimeni yakho but inhliziyo yakho it's I know.
Okay.
Wena ungiphupha kodwa ngeke uzungitshela Dlamini ngikuphi. Angeke uzusho.
Let's wrap.
The way inakhuzana yakho is strong ngakhona bathi yini lento uma ungabe ufuna uku-admit something but it's stopping you to admit bathi yini leyo nto leyo your pride, yeah, your pride yakuvimba ukuthi ukhulume uthi Dlamini yazini honestly speaking ngithi nje manje nginayo ingubeni kodwa umqondo nje ukuwena ukuthi kaze uDlamini wenzani la khona mimi ngilinde wena ngihleli waiting for you.
Shall we wrap?
Admit her.
There's nothing to admit. I'm happy where I am.
Awunandaba nami. Okay. Asabi kulungile. Awunandaba nami.
I care about you as a friend.
Eh?
I care about you as a friend.
Kuphelela lapho.
Yes, and as a co-worker.
Wayamehlo wakho wacibeza futhi I care for. Mina nawe.
So fast
Silahlana.
Dlams, you are so delusional.
Rimunwana lili nalo.
Okay.
Enalo wena wo.
All right. Let's wrap, guys. That's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and follow me on Facebook, Lisa Serame.
Instagram, welcome_Dlamini. 88 on Facebook. It's welcome Dlamini. TikTok, same thing, welcome Dlamini. Danko bonge.
Thank you, guys.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur Bro, ma, best believe if you are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go. Bananas.